Well, I tell people is, hey, there's 350 million people here in the United States, go pick somebody, right? So I would probably do a combination of everything. I would do the 3-foot rule. I would just be getting out there and talking to people. But I would definitely be joining groups and I would be searching out through Messenger on Facebook. But I would not be prospecting. Okay, I would be trying to build a rapport and build a relationship. I think it's a huge mistake when people go out there and they don't know anything about the person. I get it all the time, and probably everybody in network marketing, you get these people sending you these links, and if you think somebody's going to look at them, you're kidding yourself, right? Get to know somebody. I don't care. So it doesn't matter if you're meeting them in a grocery store line. You don't say, hey, I got something you need to look at. It's you comment on the weather, or you comment on something going on, and you start a conversation. So whatever you can do to be in front of people, whether it's online or offline. But if I was to start over, no personal contacts, I would begin to build personal contacts, and then the prospecting would follow.